Welcome to the SigNEX tutorial series, where we learn how to make the most of the SigNEX eSignature solution. In this tutorial, we will talk about one of the signing options SigNEX offers, signing with your mobile. When you log into SigNEX mobile application, in the top of the home screen, you can see the item waiting for you. If you can see numbers in front of you, that means you have workflows pending your signature. When you click on it, the list of workflows that needs your signature will be shown. Simply select the workflow that you are going to sign and click on Sign. Here, you have to insert the PIN you have selected and click Verify. This will take you to the document preview. Now, click Sign on the bottom right corner. Here, you will be prompted to use your biometrics, and that is all. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master SigNEX. Until next time, happy signing.